Hey everyone, welcome to this week's art video. Sorry that this week's video is such a short one and also not the part 2 of the Menenangal from last week. That one had to be pushed back another week because I didn't have enough time to stream and I really want to work on that one on stream, so yeah. Today I have this drawing that I did as kind of a wind down drawing from the other night. I initially didn't plan on posting this one as my art video for this week, but it ended up becoming my backup, so that's why I don't have like a better quality recording of it, I guess. I'm using the auto-recorded video that Procreate makes whenever you do a drawing, but unfortunately the auto-record messed up in the beginning, so it's missing most of the sketching process. Ugh, sorry about that. Even though this one's pretty short, I figured that I would at least answer one of the most common questions I get on many of my drawing videos, and that is, which brushes do you use? And for me, I mostly just use a couple of preset brushes that come with Procreate. With this piece, I used this one for sketching and some detail rendering, like in the hair and in some of the skin, and this one for most of the coloring and shading in the skin. Every once in a while I will make my own brushes, but for the most part I just use these two along with maybe one or two other ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, sorry it's a bit short, but next week should be the part 2 for the Menenangal, which should be quite a bit longer than this one. If you did like this video, then please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later this week. Bye!